students, in the last video I have taken the revision of topic number 1 sentences, and here I am going to take revision of topic number 2 kinds of sentences. It means we have known now the meaning of sentences, group of words which make complete sense, that is called sentences. And here it means we have studied this unit in the last month. Here I am going to take revision. There we were studied the kinds of sentences or types of sentences. I told there assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and optative sentence. And here I have written 4 types of sentences on the boards and their use and the examples of those sentences. Here I am going to revise you again. Okay, type of 1, that is assertive sentences. What is assertive sentences? Assertive sentences are used to tell facts. Facts. Okay, now look, I eat a mango. This is a fact. I am doing something or I do something. I eat a mango. This is fact. The sun sets west. The sun rises at east. This is fact. The sun sets at west. This is fact. He is a teacher. He is this man. He is a teacher. That is a fact of that person. They are playing now. It means they are playing. That is fact. Assertive sentences are used to express facts. Again, I eat a mango. The sun sets at west. He is a teacher. They are playing now. Understood? Now look, next type, interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are used to ask questions. That is the important of this sentence. And you know now WH words. We use WH words to frame questions or to make questions. What do you do? Where are you? Who is there? Why are you late? Do you like mango? Like this. What do you do? Where are you? Who is there? Why are you late? Do you like mango? All those are questions. And this is the type of sentences where questions is asked, that is interrogative sentences. Understood? Now look, imperative. Next one type is imperative. Imperative sentences are used to command, request, advise. For example, close the window. This is instruction. This is the command. Don't play. Don't play. This is also command. Please post these letters. Request. Respect the elders. Advise. Instruction is there. And at last, imperative sentences are used to command, request, advise. Okay? And last, next one, exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences are used to express our feelings, sudden feelings of joy, sorrow. What a beautiful picture. Suppose sometimes we become suddenly happy of seeing some things or listening something, and there we give our sudden feelings of our happiness, sorrow. That is called exclamatory sentences. Here, see examples. Wow, what a beautiful picture. After one, suppose you have seen now one picture and you have surprised or became happy. You suddenly said, wow, wow, what a beautiful picture. Alas, my friend has failed again. Suppose you shocked sometimes, you become sorrow and you say, alas, alas, my friend has failed again. I am hurt. Sometimes you get hurt. There, that is it means sudden feelings of joy, sorrow are the where we tell, that is called exclamatory sentences. Afterward, one more type is there, optative sentences. Optative sentences is used to wish, do prayers. For example, may God bless you, may God bless you, may you live long, happy birthday to you, wishes. Those are called optative sentences. Understood? At last, in the first unit, we studied about sentences, and here we have seen already we have studied this unit, and here I am taking revision again, kinds of revision, and just I told you the types of sentences: assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative, exclamatory, and optative. Those are the 5 types of sentences we should use like this as per its need. Okay, and now you take homework. You write the sentences. It means you write assertive sentences, interrogative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences, and their example should be 5.